What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing some micro USB cables for charging my devices. I ordered these because I was looking for some high quality charging cables, and I got the Syncwire 2-pack 3.3 feet super durable nylon braided fast sync and charging cords. They came inside this bubble mailer right here. We're going to tear it open and see what's inside. I was looking for some cables that come with warranty, and these come with, I believe, 36 months warranty. Here it is. That's all that's inside here. Syncwire. Simple, superior, reliable. 2-pack micro USB data cable for devices with micro USB port. 3.3 feet, 1 meter. Nice. Once again, they come with a 36-month warranty. I'm tired of my other cables going out on me. Some of them go out within a week. So I just thought I'd spend a little bit of money for some higher quality ones. These cost me $7.99. Prices may vary. Of course, I'm going to put the link to these cables in the description of this video down below so you can check them out and learn more about them and even decide to make a purchase if you wish. And if you do decide to make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. This little sticker is on there really good. Uh-oh. Alright. Got the sticker off. Tore the box a little bit. We're going to open it and see what's up. Pretty nice. Box is now empty, and inside we have like these two cables rolled up inside these two things right here, whatever they call these paper inserts, plastic. Thank you for choosing Syncwire cable. It says right here, your purchase is backed by 12-month warranty, and if you register your product at Syncwire.com, we'll add another 24 months of coverage on top of that, for a grand total of 36 months. Nice. I'm going to be sure to register these. I like how nice this packaging looks. Right here we have the user guide that also came inside the little box. Warranty policy, bonus warranty, how to enroll, customer support, safety instructions, and it's in different languages. Cool. Nice little user guide and the cables. Let's take one of them out. I like how they're rolled up in here. Wow, the cables are decent looking, pretty good. They feel sturdy with the nylon encasing. Sweet. I didn't know it was a 2-pack, but I'm super happy to find out it's a 2-pack. I thought it was just one cable. 2-pack, totally worth it. Here it is. I like how they feel durable. So now I hope you know what you're gonna expect if you order the Syncwire cables, micro USB data cables for yourself. You're gonna know what you're gonna get in your package. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.